Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making some soap. I'm trying a new recipe with oat milk. So I'm gonna be making some soap for myself using oat milk and some lavender. I test it, I see how it lathers. Welcome to the journey. So I'm gonna show you how I am doing it. So the first thing I always do is sanitize my equipment with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. So I'm gonna go ahead and sanitize all my containers really good. I had already previously washed them, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean them out. This is what I'm gonna put my mixture of the oat milk together with the sodium hydroxide, the lye. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the container that I'll be measuring my lye. So my oat milk goes here, my lye goes here. I mix them in this container, let them cool, and then after they cool, I mix them with the oils. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am making some lavender and rose soap using some oat milk. I did do like a 50 to 50 lye solution. The extra liquid will be my oat milk. I made this oat milk by heating up some oats with water, sieved it, and came up with oat milk. So we're gonna go ahead and do the soaping. The oils are 87 degrees. The lye is 82. Perfect temperature. All right, so I'm gonna put my gloves on. Keep ourselves safe. Safety comes first. I have my goggles on right here, and I do have my long sleeve. All right, let's do this. So what I'm gonna start with is I'm gonna first mix my oils. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my lye water. All right, I am gonna add some kaolin clay. I like the kaolin clay. I like the way it slides into the soap. Makes the soap, lather well. Just adding a few, about 1.5 teaspoon of that. I'm gonna leave the soup today uncolored. I wanna give it that just natural look. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my oat milk that I made. And as I said, I used 50 to 50 lye ratio. Starting to thicken up for me here. So I'm gonna add my fragrance, lavender and rose geranium. All right, there we go. Leave that there. Just gonna mix everything with a spatula. Then I'm gonna put it in my soap mold. Make sure everything mixes well. Okay, so I'm using the Amazon mold. I'll have it linked in my description below. It carries about 32 ounces of soap butter. This one I'm making for my family. Since it's a new recipe, I just want to try and see how the oat milk that I made feels on the skin and if it comes out intact. It's really thickening quick. The temperature was in the 80s, so I tried to soap at a low temperature so that it can give me enough time to get everything where it needs to be. So there is the soap. Just want to make sure I get everything out. All right, I'm gonna tap this down. Clean the ends. And the best part is topping the decorating the tops. So I'm gonna just do like a square. Okay, that's not fun. Let me straighten that out. I'm gonna make it a little more fun, yeah? It looks like I think we could have easily put 34 ounces in this mold, but I don't like it when it overflows too much also. Okay, so let's use maybe a spoon. We're gonna texture the top. Okay, so we'll leave it for 24 hours and then we'll come back and we'll do the cut. Welcome back. It's the next day and my oatmeal soap is dry. So today I'm gonna go ahead and cut this and then see how it's gonna turn out. Then I'll give it a few weeks before I really use it in my shower. I'm gonna give it about 4 to 6 weeks until it completely dries to do a lather test and actually use it and see how it turns out. So this was the oatmeal with lavender and rose geranium soap. I made my own oat milk and used it as a part of the 50-50 lye solution. I did my 50-50 lye solution, and then the extra liquid was my oat milk. So yeah, so there it is. And I'm also excited today. I got a mail. I got something in the mail. Got something in the mail. Yay, from Amazon. I'm hoping this is something related to the soap book I ordered. And I'm excited to try some of these recipes in this book. Oh, check that out! I got my book. I ordered this book. This is by Simi, and I love them. They have been such educational people when it comes to soap for me. I have enjoyed watching their YouTube channel, and now she made a book, and I pre-ordered my book and I received it yesterday. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't wait to like read and try some of these recipes in this book. It's such a nice book. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm a fan of soap making, all natural soap making. So this is in my jam. So yeah, so I will try and do some recipes in the book, maybe share them on YouTube. I don't know if that's allowed, but I'll reference it to the book. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna cut the soap and then I'll show you how it turns out. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. Like the video, come back and we can hang out. Thanks. My name is Martha.